This is PSLE Practice Booklet 1. We are looking at the questions of today, page 9 of the Booklet 1. This is exercise 4, question 6 to 9. Let's take a look at the basic questions here. The first one is on using a protractor and reading the size of angles. We are looking at the marked angle ABC on the protractor given. The size of the angle A starts here, B here, and C. So we're looking at the turn that is labeled. Oops. Turn that's labeled here. Oh no. Right, so this is the turn. You can see starting from the 0 here, where C is, and then we can go from here, this point here, 0, and the turn to where A is. So it's an obtuse angle. That's the first clue we can help to ensure that we know the size of the angle correctly. So it's an angle that is greater than 90 degrees. In this case, it will be at past 120. This is 125 here. So 120, 125, 126, 127. Okay, you can check it again, counting backwards from here, 130, then 129, 128, and 127. Okay, question 7. Henry saves $114 out of his monthly allowance of $300. What is the percentage of his allowance that he saved? Okay, so this is a straightforward one step question. Why? Because you're talking about the save amount that he saved and percentage of the allowance and out of the money allowance. So it didn't ask for the other content such as like how much he spent instead. So you can use the values that are directly given here. So I have 114, that's the save amount, over the $300, that is the monthly allowance, multiplied by 100%. So the numbers are quite friendly here. I can cancel out the zeros here, and then I do 114 divided by 3, and that gives me 38. So 38%. So Henry saves 38% of his allowance, monthly allowance. Okay, moving on to question 8. Here's a question on averages. So we know that for average, there's this magic triangle, total divided by the number of data. So here we are looking at the total that's given here. The number of data is 7 days. Yvonne drank a total of 14.35 liters of water in 7 days. So the average amount to drink in a day is almost like a group each and total thing. So the total is over the number of days. Which is 14.35 divided by 7. Don't forget the decimal point. So I have 2.05 liters. Okay. This is question 8. Finally, question 9. Ken pack some apples into k boxes equally, k number of boxes equally. It's an algebra question. So there are 4 apples in each box. How many did he pack altogether? So you have a group each and total k boxes. So this is group. The number of boxes is k. In each box there are 4 apples. You are looking for how many apples totally in terms of k in the simplest form. So to find the total, you use group times each. So you say 4 apples times k boxes. You write as 4k. 4k apples were packed all together. Okay, so here are the solutions for PSLE Practice Booklet 1, Exercise 4, page 9.